Looking for the best burnishing machine but overwhelmed by all the options out there? Stick around because today we're breaking down the top contenders, from budget-friendly picks to pro-level powerhouses. Let's start from the bottom of the list with a simple, bench-style machine that gets the job done, just not for everyone. This is the JUWELAIDE Leather Edge Burnisher. It's designed for hobbyists and casual leather crafters who need a reliable, no-frills tool to clean up edges without breaking the bank. What you get is 350 watts of power and a motor that can spin all the way up to 8,000 RPM. It's actually pretty fast for this size. It comes ready with burnishing wheels and sanding sleeves, so it's plug and play. It's compact, easy to place on your workbench, and great for those new to leather crafting. But let's be real, this tool isn't built for heavy-duty tasks or professional level polishing. It's strictly for leather, so don't expect it to help with metal, wood, or anything else. Plus, availability can be spotty, especially outside the US. If you're just starting out or working on small leather goods like belts or wallets, this could be a solid beginner's choice. But if you're planning to polish anything tougher or broader, you'll want to keep watching. And hey, if you're ready to grab any of the tools from today's review at the best price, all the product links are down in the description. Next up is the Flyrivergo Leather Burnisher, which earns its spot above the last pick by delivering more versatility straight out of the box. It's another 350 watt machine, but what sets it apart is the impressive accessory bundle and a design that's perfect for small spaces. You're getting multiple sanding sleeves in different grits, a burnishing wheel, and even a polishing fixture. The speed tops out at 8,000 RPM, which gives you plenty of control whether you're prepping edges or doing fine finishing work. It's light, portable, and honestly, feels like a thoughtful step up. The downside? Some users mention the sleeves are tricky to install, and it's still not meant for wood or metal. This is a leather-only machine, and if you try to push it beyond that, you'll probably struggle. Also, like the last one, it runs on 110 volts, so check your region's power setup. If you're into leathercraft and want more control and better value in a compact package, this could be your match. And if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, go ahead and hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth gear reviews. In the middle of the pack, we've got the VEVOR burnishing machine. It brings solid muscle with 1200 watts under the hood, making it a more serious tool for metal workers or anyone doing larger polishing projects. What's nice here is the build quality. Aluminum housing, sturdy handle, and a full set of fiber wheels included. The 6-speed settings let you tune the performance for light cleaning or more aggressive surface work. It's a decent all-rounder for stainless steel, metal, and even wood if you're careful. But it's not light. At over 12 pounds, this one might wear you out if you're using it handheld for a long time. And while the RPM range is fine for metal, it's a bit underwhelming for tasks that need more speed like detailed edge finishing. If you're working in a garage or small shop and need a burnisher that leans toward heavy duty, the VEVOR could be your go-to. It's not flashy, but it's reliable. Now we're moving up the ladder with the BriSunshine Burnisher, a versatile, well-balanced machine that delivers both strength and control. This one's ideal for those juggling a mix of materials like metal, stainless steel, and wood. With 1400 watts, it's powerful enough to handle rough surfaces, and the 8-speed dial helps you fine-tune how much pressure you apply. The dual-handle grip adds serious stability, especially during longer sessions, and it's comfortable enough to use regularly without fatigue. The catch? You only get one wheel in the box, so if you're switching between tasks or materials, you'll likely need to buy extra attachments. There are also occasional reports of parts not fitting perfectly, so quality control may vary. This is a great option for serious hobbyists or small business owners who need reliability across multiple surfaces. It's not top tier, but it holds its own, especially when you consider how much you're getting for the price. Finally, topping the list is a true powerhouse, the LDHTHOPI Burnisher. This one's not playing around. With 1800 watts of pure motor strength, it's built to handle heavy-duty tasks across all kinds of materials. What makes it stand out is the balance between high torque and user control. The dual-wheel setup offers flexibility, letting you work faster and with better precision. Whether you're stripping rust, polishing welds, or smoothing rough wood, this machine brings the firepower you need. It does have a few limits. It's not designed for delicate leather work, and it maxes out around 3100 RPM. But for most metal and woodworking applications, that's more than enough. Just don't expect high-speed finesse. If you want a reliable, industrial-strength tool that's going to hold up over time, this is your best bet. Perfect for workshops, contractors, and serious makers. Every machine we cover today has its place, depending on what you're working on. Be sure to check out all the top picks using the links in the description below. And if you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more reviews just like this.